My name is Ken Niedermeyer, and I'm the president of the Coral Restoration Foundation in Key Largo, Florida, and we grow and restore coral reefs. We have developed an offshore nursery program, and it requires divers to go down there and do the nursery work, and we grow these corals in the offshore nurseries. We've got several up and down the Keys, and once the corals are about a year old, they're about a basketball size. Then using volunteers, we harvest those corals, transport them out to the reef, and after 3 or 4 months you can't tell that they were attached. They look normal, they look like they belong there. This is a really neat experience for somebody to come down and participate in, because it's a chance for them to actually put back, for them to put a coral back on the reef and to grow more corals, and it's just a great experience of getting involved and doing something about it rather than just talking about it. Florida Keys have beautiful reefs full of fish and all kinds of great marine life, and this is a great way to make them even better by coming and helping putting the corals back on the reef.